Hello, my name is Todd Nelson. I'm with Old Colony Realtors of Huntington. Wanted to take you on a tour of a listing I have at 8923 Homestead Road, Lesage, West Virginia. It's a beautiful home in a beautiful setting. Let's take a look. Here's a view of the front of the house. As you can see, here's the front door that enters into the large entryway with nice tile floors, with the doorway into the kitchen. Behind me, a doorway into the bathroom, and then a doorway into the living room. Let's go take a look in the living room, where you have some very nice hardwood floors, an open area. You can see there's a nice window in the front, and an open area, as you can see here. That this area could be a formal dining room, or it could be an extension of the family room or living room. You see a wood-burning stove. Kitchen has a bar area, appliance-filled kitchen. Dining area here off the kitchen with the continuation of the wood floors. You also have a nice sunroom here with a lot of windows that provides a lot of light and great views, as you can see, of nature. Here we are in the kitchen area. We have this same tile that's in the entryway. A lot of counter space. Got oven range, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. This takes you back towards the entryway where we first came in the door. And we have a hallway here that has a workstation. And we have our first of two bedrooms that are on the main level. Now this bedroom has its own bath. You have a full bath here with a tub and shower. And you have, let's take a look at the main floor owner's bedroom suite. You have closet here, then in the bedroom here you also have a secondary closet, and then you have the main owner's bedroom bath with two sinks, large mirror area, of course your toilet, and a large shower. As you come up the stairs, you can see there's a hallway here that takes you to multiple rooms. Let's walk down this way. We have a closet here. Then as you turn here, you can see we have a bath. It is a half bath. You can see we have our sink. And back behind the sink is our toilet. Here's a bedroom. See, there's a nice window. Take another view of the bedroom here. And back down the hall. You could use one of these closets in the hall for that bedroom. Let's go down the hall here to another bedroom. This bedroom has a large area when you first walk in. Your closet is right when you first walk into the room. You have two windows in this bedroom with great views. Here's a view of the side and front of the house, and also what is around it. Here's a view of the back. Here's a view of the back of the house and some of the yard.